Hey guys, me Sam Productions, and today we're playing Photoscape with my friend with Thousand Book. So let's get started. And I'm on a Halloween costume. I was trying to play the Church game, but it actually broke, so yeah. Let's go! Oh gosh. Let's go! Oh gosh. Why leg? Why? Okay. Medium! Woo! Okay. Yay, a powder. Woo! And they'll be saying like, oh, and then look at me with my friends, so I'm just going on a walk, so stay safe. No! No! Okay then. That's okay. You must get a gravity core. It's okay. Let's go to another one. Then the 2014 retreat open, we're recording there a lot, just so you guys know. So you know how to get finish our quests and stuff. And the guy at me that goes with me and etc. So that this is a new class, new everything. So that every year for That's okay. Let's go see. Ooh, hard. Everybody, QQ. Where'd he go? Pushed me out. So that you spawn right there. Try it. See how long you can last. Go, go, go. No! I pushed myself. It's a very sad story. Well, I guess. Let's go to the game. It was very, whatever is colored, guys, whatever is colored like blue or something is separate. I died. I'm not same here. Like an impossible jump, but if I made that, that would be awesome. I know. One at a time. 1, 2. Oh gosh. No! 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. I'm gonna do it. One more time. 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Woo! Oh gosh. Gotta get out. Good. Okay. Now for code cracker. Got that one. Oh gosh, this isn't gonna end well. Okay, that don't work. Does not work. Okay, gotta do every single. Oh gosh, got it. One more. Or I'm like so bad. I don't know. 3. No. I'm not that good at code cracking with 4. Got that. Okay. We know. Got it! Woo! Now to go to reaction. All the way. Go, 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 go. Okay, what is it? By the way, guys, if you didn't know, it goes like this. Take 15 of your points from training. Say I just got 3, and it makes it to 1 point that you can, like, spend on things in the shop. Ready? Red! And if you're not that good, and you want to practice, then you just do that. Like, if you go to the shop, and, yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh gosh. Okay, I made it. Trying to show you guys. Like, different things you can buy. Like fire, music. Well, you can't buy music, but with wins, you can. But you know what I mean. I think we are trained enough. Do you agree? See? Let's do this. Was not good. We got into battle. Come over here. Over here. Over here. That's it for this episode, guys. Like, subscribe. If you didn't like the video, like, subscribe. Bye, guys. Let me know what game I should play on Roblox next. Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. If you were in this video, let me know in the comment box. Bye, guys.